Hey students, thank you for choosing us to guide you through writing the best descriptive essay. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more incredible instructional videos to assist your academic career. Today, we will be looking at the vital elements to include when you are asked to construct a descriptive essay. Ivory Research has so many years of experience successfully providing students with the best academic assistance. Choosing to further your academic career with the assistance of Ivory Research can help you to obtain the grades you deserve and the high-paid jobs you deserve. So, from personal statements to CVs, and not forgetting the all-important essays and dissertations, Ivory Research can help you with your academic journey at every step of the way. If you are too busy to watch this video, don't worry. Hop on over to ivoryresearch.com, where you will find comprehensive information on this and lots more with our complete student assistance programs. Let's continue with the method of the descriptive essay. With this type of essay, the clue really is in the title. A descriptive essay is all about using the best of your language to invite people into the essay and have the ability to give them every little detail you possibly can, immersing them into the details of the essay. You need to provoke the feeling in the reader in parallel to how you feel when you are writing it, and this can be easier said than done. It would be best if you focused on, you guessed it, the descriptives of what you are writing, so that the reader can walk you through your essay and feel every emotion, see every detail, and feel every texture of everything within the words. So how do you execute this? Let's delve into the best way to write a descriptive essay. There are 3 different kinds of descriptive essays you could be asked to write, and it is imperative to know the distinct difference between them. You have personal, imaginative, and conceptual. Personal descriptive essay will require you to write something that is personal to you, so it could be written around something that has great sentimental value to you, or describing somewhere you love to be. An imaginative essay requires some extra thought. By using your imagination, you will automatically be writing something that you have not experienced firsthand. You'll be taking a situation and describing how it may have felt, sounded, and the thoughts that many have been. Finally, a conceptual descriptive essay requires you to describe the feeling of something like an emotion. This can be super tricky. Research can really help you here, and gathering lots of information about the given or chosen topic can help you develop your descriptive phrasing and wording. So, how do you construct a descriptive essay? You start with an introductory sentence that paints the picture for the body of the text. Using the present tense will generally be advised in the introduction. 2. Your personal feeling about the situation you have described. Listing for 3 things here, such as a sound, a temperature, or a state of mind, can be helpful in building momentum. 3. A specific description of the event. As opposed to the generalisation of the introduction, where we've painted the picture briefly, we can now go into more descriptive detail about what is going on. 4. The analogy. The description of the scene's behaviour versus the author's attitude creates the analogy for this part of the descriptive essay. This is an excellent part of the essay to really pick apart and write what is happening, the movements, the colours, the textures. Then you can write about how you are feeling about each of these things to create a double contrast that gives the perfect descriptive overview. 5. The conclusion. The part that pulls everything together will be here, and the conclusion allows you to bring together all of your thoughts, your feelings around the descriptive essay you have written. What language are you supposed to use to get the most out of your descriptive essay? Well, this can be a matter of personal choice, but a descriptive essay will definitely expand your vocabulary. Here is a super fast rundown of all the elements you can include in your descriptive essay to make it really effective. Use figurative language. By including similes and metaphors to describe otherwise literal elements, you can expand your element to make the reader understand the situation better, such as blue as rat-tat, or darker than blah blah blah. Factual and literal statements or observations will only get your work so far before it becomes just words on the page, as opposed to the walk-in essay it is meant to be. 2. Use sensory detailing. It is super easy to explain how something looks to the eye or sounds to the ear. But what does the situation you are writing about make you taste, smell, or even feel? By describing the full extent of the situation, you can fully immerse your reader in the descriptions you were trying to convey. 3. Use provoking imaginary language. Suppose you believe that the scene you are setting would be comparative to, say, an explosion, for instance. In that case, you can use words to describe the acrid smells, how loud it was when it exploded, ash flying around like a swarm of mosquitoes at sunset. That type of thing to really bring your descriptive essay to life. We hope you found this video super helpful in writing your descriptive essay with the help of Ivory research. Be sure to let us know how you got on and come back and visit us for more videos on your student career path.